We have tradition, and tradition is tradition. The day a people lose their tradition is the day that their deaths begin. They become like seaweeds, they float without direction. But today, we assert, we showcase, we propagate, we project our tradition. This is a tradition that started in the year 1846. For those of you who are visiting this lodge for the first time, the ceremony that you see here today was started in the year 1846 when the missionaries arrived and they wanted to preach Christianity, and they had to approach the progenitors of these men who are seated here. They approached their forefathers and said to them, "We have rung the bell of Christianity on the shores of the Calabar River, but nobody has come. But we know that any time that the drums of Ekpe, the pulsating drums and the scintillating dance steps of the masquerades are unleashed, the crowd is beyond what you can see. Therefore, can you please use Ekpe to help us? Oti, Oti, Oti. Can you please help us to use the institution of Ekpe to bring people in so that